So quick recap, I was indecisive, you guys helped me choose a pattern out of 2 and thank you for even those who voted 1. But let's proceed with pattern 2, the pleated skirt. So I separated all the legs, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna stitch these together and then let's pleat them. Stitching these together was the only easy part. Little did I know I was going to do an arm day with tricep burns. You'll see. So I attached all the legs in length and cut out the extra loose threads before hemming. I live near the ocean. Yes, it's a flex, so the breeze even at noon is so refreshing. Let's take a moment of break to take it in. I was really tired of pushing the denim through on this pedal sewing machine when my mom showed up like an angel with buttermilk. So there's another creator I love who makes sick denim upcycles, and I've seen her make a scarf that looks something like this. Okay, so Cherish says, refer to previous video for who that is, that the fabric should wrap you 3 times for ideal size. Then you pick up a fork for the pleats, and it took me some time to figure out how, but finally here it is. I don't know how to explain, so maybe watch. Also, I thought it would be fun to try it out midway. What am I even doing? I guess we'll never know. Okay, so this is how it turned out. I really think we took the right decision by sticking to pattern 2. It came out amazing. I put different widths of the legs on different parts of the skirt on purpose so that it has a me touch to it. That's a close-up look, and let me know what you guys think. Also, stick with me for more upcycling.